To begin the installation of the Life Ionizer 5000, simply remove the existing aerator off your faucet. And install the diverter valve that is provided. Simply turn the threads clockwise till it's tight, and tighten a little further with the wrench to prevent any leakage. The water feed line is now connected to the diverter valve. Insert the clip that is provided into the fitting. Then attach the other end of the water feed line to the bottom of the ionizer that is marked water input. Install the flexible braided stainless steel hose on the top of the ionizer by turning clockwise. Take the flexible larger diameter hose and connect that to the acid water output connection on the bottom of your ionizer. Initiate the supply of cold water, then flip the handle on the diverter and water will start to come out of your ionizer. Installation of the Life Ionizer 7000 is accomplished by installing the electrical connection and the acidic and alkaline drain hoses through the countertop. Connect the water supply line to the bottom of the ionizer. Install the acidic and alkaline hoses to the top of the ionizer body. Install the electrical connection to the front of the ionizer. The cold water connection is installed on the cold water feed line underneath the sink. Install the water input line to the cold water connector. Simply press the on-off button to initiate the flow of water to the ionizer.